Please like and subscribe.
This is going to be a look at, again, doing these type of videos just to give you a close-up look so you see what you actually get when you purchase this item on Amazon. I got this from Amazon Haul, a new type of way of buying, sort of their it's like the Amazon Temu version of Amazon. Again, it's just going to be a close-up look. So let me take a typical toothbrush and give you an idea of how it'll fit. Give you a close-up look of this item. There's holes of mold buildup. That's the only thing with these things. You have to be careful. Make sure no mold is built up or anything. It's got a nice snap, like a shell. You put the toothbrush there and everything's good. Wow, cool. So it has holes on two ends for the water evaporate so the toothbrush dries. Be careful with using these. And, you know, sometimes it may stay wet longer. You know, I'll put it on, but make sure to wash the brush before using it after it being stored here. These things sometimes, like I said, you have to be careful with that buildup of like mold or, you know, because the water doesn't evaporate correctly. So if it's not working for you and you see that it's keeping the toothbrush wet, maybe you got to go with a different brand or a different way, or don't use this at all. But you have to be aware of that. So make sure to do that and make sure you're not getting a buildup of any kind of mold or, you know, odor or smell off the toothbrush from it not drying correctly. But I think these hoses should do a good job doing that, and the bottom as well. And it protects your brush from, you know, like if you keep it in the sink, this is just me. If you keep it mounted over the sink, like in the toothbrush area, the only issue I have with that is if someone flushes the toilet with the toilet seat up, then all that small particles of water from the toilet goes up in the air, and it could hit your toothbrush. That's just me. So this cover should protect that from that. So even wash the outside of this thing, or rinse it under water at least every time you use it. But yeah, I'm a big fanatic of keeping my toothbrush covered all the time. All right, so this is just a look at. There's 4 different colors so that you won't get the toothbrushes mixed up. So let's say you have everyone's using the same type of toothbrush, then you could differentiate each one by different colors so that there won't be a mix-up. All right. Yeah, orange is cute. Again, this was a look at. It snaps open here. All right. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Again, that was just a look at. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Please like and subscribe.